We are looking at how to pronounce this word, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as domain. You do want to stress on the second syllable, on the main syllable, domain. In American English, this is usually pronounced as domain, domain. You also want to stress on the second syllable, domain in American English versus domain in British English. Did you get it? Did you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.